Good Monday morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Today, a little change for us from what we did over the weekend. We enjoyed that beautiful kind of April-like weather, especially on Sunday. 54 degrees yesterday. Today, quite a change. In fact, we just a few hours ago really felt the big change all at once. The cold front came through. Temperatures took a nosedive, about 10 degrees in 2 hours, right between about 2 and 4 o'clock this morning. Now we're stuck in the low 30s. Right now it's 30 degrees just after 8 o'clock as I'm recording this. This is a look south with our Golden Group camera from downtown Rochester. Kind of a chilly west breeze. It feels even colder than 30. And let me tell you, it will not at any point feel above freezing today. It's going to be definitely a colder, murkier version of March weather. This is sadly what we expect this time of the year. Every once in a while, a little gasp of warmth, but for the most part, March is known for dreariness, blustery weather, and mixed precipitation. You get a little rain, a little snow. It's that transition season right now, transitional part of the year. But gray skies in Lake City as well. Here's our Golden Group camera in Lake City along Lake Pepin, and right now, overcast. A little bit of that melted over the weekend. We melted certainly on the shoreline. You see how little snow remains, but a little bit of Lake Pepin may have melted as well. We have gone from what was once 2 inches of snow, but that's officially first thing Tuesday morning, or rather Friday morning, to nothing now, 0, but we still, of course, have snow drifts that are not counted as measurable snow depth because they are drifts, not the natural coating of average snow depth anyway. So, yeah, officially we've gotten rid of that snow cover, but we still have some to melt, and we still have to work on that before we really get the benefit of that stronger March sunshine once it returns. But today, certainly not much of the way of sunshine, gray skies, and temperatures only in the 30s today. But over the weekend, 54, the first 50-degree reading of 2020 here in Rochester. The average first 50-degree high, March 10th. So we're just a couple of days ahead of schedule. So pretty much spot on overall, really. Not unusual at all for what we had. And then the last time we had a 50-degree high temperature was October 26th. So something like 133 days ago, something like that, 2019. Going back with that. Back to the murk today, though. 30 degrees in Rochester, 34 in Austin, Decorah 37, and we deal with the murkiness. Visibility down half a mile in Rochester. It's going to take all morning for that to improve. Even going into the afternoon, a little bit of rain will add to the murkiness and the dreariness and the raw, unsettled weather. Winds out of the northwest keeping the wind chill at 21. Air pressure rapidly rising, though, behind that cold front. High pressure trying to work its way in, and eventually it will win out for tonight and part of tomorrow. We'll have a kind of a busy weather pattern, that is, as we'll have sun and then clouds, and pretty much every other day more of the same. But 21 at Rochester, the current wind chill, 24 Northwood, 30 in Winona. Day planner, clouds all day long, light rain between 10 and noon, and then we'll see that hang on into the afternoon, tapering off between 4 and 6. A brisk northwest breeze keeps that wind chill in the 20s. Highs only around 37, maybe 38 this afternoon. Clouds hanging tough. Watch the rain now edging its way on into North Iowa. Some of our North Iowa counties beginning to see at least some rain, at least on the radar, and eventually begin to reach the ground over the next hour or two. And here in Rochester, 10, maybe 11 o'clock before we see the rain here. We're going to see a lot less of the way of rain here on the northwest side of the system than there will be in northeast Iowa or southwest Wisconsin. So Rochester down to Austin, Albert Lee, just a brief shower or two, maybe even not much in the way of rain in the rain gauge at all. But 38 the high, we'll be seeing that late afternoon as showers by then begin to taper off. And then skies clearing off tonight. We dropped to the mid-20s overnight, so definitely a colder version of March weather. Light rain today, more rain chances late tomorrow and tomorrow night, and then again maybe a little more Thursday afternoon, and then the weekend, snow and rain both. At this point, there may be some minor accumulation, especially in the nighttime hours Saturday night. But during the day, cold rain and a little snow may mix in at times, with temperatures struggling to get back to 40 by the weekend. But today, looking at temperatures in the 30s already, and we'll stay there behind that cold front. Periods of rain, maybe a snowflake or two this evening, but nothing in the way of accumulation. A fast-moving batch of high pressure brings sun tomorrow morning, but clouds return for the afternoon, and by late evening we'll see a little rain, maybe a trace amount of snow in some grassy areas, but not necessarily measurable snow. It'll be done with that by around 4 or 5 in the morning Wednesday. Cool sunshine Wednesday, highs in low 40s, and again Thursday afternoon. And over the weekend, more of those rain chances pretty much every other day. 38 Rochester today, Austin 39, 38 in Charles City. Some fog, some clouds, light rain, 38, which is pretty much right on the money for what we average this time of the year. So a reality check for us, basically. 24 tonight, a diminishing breeze, late skies clearing off, and tomorrow some sun, then clouds thickening, rain after about 5 in the afternoon, a light breeze throughout the day. 43 for your Tuesday. We're going to see 40s for most of the week, so that's not too bad. A couple degrees above average, at least 2 or 3 degrees above average. And the warmest day Thursday. Before that cold front brings afternoon and evening rain. And over the weekend, some low 40s. Right now it looks like St. Pat's Day week from Tuesday may feature some sun, but temperatures may be struggling to get to 40. So kind of a cooler spell of weather for the upcoming week. But over the next several days, high temperatures mainly in the 40s. Again, rain pretty much every other day. So stay dry, stay warm today. You'll see you right back here tomorrow. Have a great Monday, everybody.